Assalamualaikum students, I am your English teacher Sana Anjum. I believe you are doing great in your homes. Today we are going to learn about parts of speech. Dear students, first of all, let me explain what is a speech. Whatever I am speaking in front of you right now is the mixture of letters, words and sentences. Do you ever think from where these words come from? Yes, these words belong to parts of speech. In English language, there are 8 types of words: nouns, pronouns, adjectives, verbs, adverbs, conjunctions, prepositions, interjections. So these 8 types are called parts of speech. In this lecture, we will learn about 4 parts of speech. First one is nouns. So what are the nouns? Nouns are the naming words. On the screen, you can see 4 different types of things. Picture number 1 is a chair. Second picture, you can see there are people and things as well. In the third picture, there is a Statue of Liberty. It also has a name. In the fourth picture, there is an animal. So all these pictures are having the name. These 4 pictures belong to 4 different categories. For example, first picture is a thing, second picture presents person, third picture is a place, and fourth picture presents an animal. So noun is a name of person, place, thing or animal. Next is pronouns. Pronouns are the words that are used in place of a noun. So the pronouns are I, we, they, you, he, she and it. For example, Mark is in the kitchen. He is cooking. Here Mark is a noun and he is cooking. He is replacing Mark. It means he is a pronoun. Sarah is helping him. She is cutting vegetables. Here Sarah is a noun and she is a pronoun which is replacing Sarah. Next is adjectives. Adjectives are those words which qualifies nouns or pronouns. Adjectives talk about the size, quality, type or number of a thing. For example, Mark is driving a black car. Here black is a quality of the car. It is a tall tree. Here tall is the size of the tree. I have several toys. Here several means number of toys. Next is verb. Verbs are the words that show an action or state. For example, if I'll say I am jumping high, this is an action. Jumping is an action here. If I say I think I can do it, here think. Think is a state. Jane drinks a cup of coffee. Here drinks is an action. I feel ill today. Here feel is a state. That what kind of feeling that person is having. He is sick. So here is an exercise for you. Identify nouns and adjectives in each sentence. Caroline cleaned her dirty room. The painting was beautiful. Daniel ate delicious cookies. Can you sing a soothing song? We made a glass vase in the class. Patty's naughty dog chewed his shoe. The funny clown juggled and told jokes. My sleepy friend slept in the class. Next exercise is fill in the blanks and state whether it is a noun, pronoun, adjective or verb. I study English. I am a dash. I am hungry when we can dash lunch. I have dash work. I need a dash for writing. You dash up a tree. John drives to work every day in his new dash. I like that movie. I think it's very dash. So there are the links. You can download the worksheets from here for your practice. Solve these exercises and send me your work on my email ID, that is missanjum07@gmail.com. Thank you.